Box break number 68 on the football buybacks. 1, 2, 3 top box, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. That's number 1. Come on. Come on. Top box is 222. Next one to break football wise is 199. Put it over here. Tex, is that sarcasm that I do detect? Uh-oh, what do we got here, boys and girls? Good luck. Oh. Oh. Troy Aikman. I thought the Cowboys didn't have any more hits. What's going on here? Troy Aikman. Cowboys autograph for the Dow. Number 1 recommendation, continued by the teams that hit. Alright, they're done now. I forgot they're done now. And what do we got here? We got something in a Fanatics bag. Feels like a oblong object. It looks an oblong object. And it's for the Eagles. Jalen Reagor. Jalen Reagor, Eagles football auto. Nice, Jalen. Fanatic certified. Next up, we got Myles Gaskins for the Dolphins. Jersey auto. Myles Gaskins for the Dolph. No hot box yet. It's been a while for a hot box, dude. All right, let's see who owns these bad boys. Third down. Eagles. Eagles. Eagles 68. Reagor is going to Hazy. Sick hit, bro. Fixing the fence. Sell this and mend the fence. Ozzy was busy talking about the fence and the dog. That sucks, bro. I hope it Hope it's not hard to fix, but if you have to build a whole new fence. We got Biggs with the Dolphins. There you go, Biggs. Biggs with the Fins. Next up, Dallas. Dallas. Ram had Dallas in XR. That's why it's pulling up. Dallas is Gregor. Gregor with the Cowboys. Do the Cowboys have